Hello and welcome back to Crypto Saving Expert, the show where we go through all the market, what's going on in the world of Web3 so that you stay informed with everything that's going on. Let's head over to the first story of today, guys. We're going to go through meme coins today. We're going to look through a few different bits and bobs, but let's head over to the news right now. First story would be the silver's charge means Bitcoin needs to top 90K to overtake it. So right now, silver has risen 33% since mid-March, meaning that if Bitcoin were to overtake it by market cap, it would need to gain 40% and rally to 93,000. So if we have a little look further down here, we can go to the chart on companies' market cap as well. I like to keep an eye on this. We've really got to set our sights on overtaking gold one day. But for now, we are fighting with silver. We've got silver down here at 1.796 trillion, Bitcoin 1.316. So yeah, that would have to put Bitcoin at a price per coin of over 90,000 if we're to overtake silver. You can see, the chart by silver. Silver's absolutely been crushing it, 2% in a day, which is, crazy for silver. Let's have a look at gold. Gold's only a 0.25% up today. Microsoft, a lot of things doing well here. Apple's up, Apple, Nvidia up highly as well. But super good chart to keep an eye on. We've got Meta platforms, Facebook hot on Bitcoin's trail there as well, guys. But let me know if you use this chart, if you take a look at this. Do you think that we'll flip silver soon and keep our lead? And then perhaps we've got Amazon in our sights in the future as well. But let's head over to the next news story. As always, guys, if you have any comments, please make sure to drop them as we go along. Any altcoin suggestions. And as always, as Christian said, smash the like button and subscribe, guys. So let's head over to the next news story of today, which is regarding Solana. So we mentioned when we take a look at the markets as well, Solana's had an amazing week, up 20%, I believe, in the last 7 days. There's reason why to this. Solana is the fastest blockchain for actual throughput. So according to reports, Solana is the fastest blockchain in the industry for real throughput and not on paper capability. The drop-off from the top two is stark, and the difference in all chains is due to a mixture of capacity and demand. Solana takes the crown. So the report stated that Solana was the fastest blockchain for maximum daily average transactions per second at 1,054. Sui was next with 854, and the drastic fall began with Binance Smart Chain at third at 378. So notable names on the list, which ranged from 1 to 25, were Base at 15th with 37 TPS, Ethereum at 17th with 23 TPS, and Ton in 5th at 175 TPS. So this is an interesting report because a lot of these networks will they will say what they would be capable of if they were running, all of their mechanisms. Whereas, this report actually looks at what it is, what's its paper capability right now. So many blockchains, including Solana, claim to be able to handle significantly more than 1,054 TPS. However, real demand and user throughput must exist for the chain to actually handle the transactions and demonstrate its capabilities. So non-EVM chains are faster. So the report noted that 8 non-EVM large blockchains were on the list with an average max TPS of 284, where 17 largest EVM compatible chains had a max TPS of just 74, making non-EVM chains 3.9 times faster. So this is some of the problems that you face with Ethereum virtual machine. Blockchains that are building off EVM, they're 3.9 times faster on average. For me, that's much more sustainable. That's much more what we're wanting to build with in this blockchain space. So where does EVM fit into this really? Is it, do we just use EVM because it's an OG, because it's easy, everyone's got a MetaMask wallet and similar, similar wallets that we can all interact with? Perhaps, we need to look into that and not, use chains and networks that are slow, but yes, we're used to them. Perhaps we do switch to this new infrastructure, but then how long does that go? Will there be better infrastructure after the next one, and it just keeps going? That's the question we have to ask ourselves. But thanks, guys, for all the comments. We've got Alex, we've got Block Pro, we've got Christian in the chat. Cheers, guys, for coming. And I will talk about a little bit about CSC Plus Discord as well as we go. But guys, let's head over to the markets right now. Let's have a look at what is going on. So we've got Bitcoin just below 67,000 right now. Let's have a look at the top gainers of the week. So we've got Theta, Phantom, Solana. We've got some big coins here. I imagine a lot of you listening in are holding a few of these as well. Let's have a look at the 7-day as well. Look, we've got BNX 22% up. Solana, yes, 20% up. We've got Smurfy right now. Afternoon, everyone. Good to see you, man. Thanks for joining us. As always, guys, if you've got any altcoin suggestions, shoot them in and we'll take a look. Ton, not so good on the 7-day. Fighting with this, it's been stuck, but let's have a look at Ton right now. Let's go into the hour chart as well. Let this load. Bear with us, guys. So Ton's been struggling a little bit recently. It's come down from, we can see up here, it's had highs of about 750, come back down, and it's, beating above the $6 mark. I think if I see Ton come down back to these levels that we saw earlier in April, really, I should have been buying down here when after token 2049. You can see at the start of May really took a large dip, came up nicely. Will we be retracing down to those levels? I think it's likely we probably come down towards 5, and I'll be looking to do some buys around that level. We've got the technical analysis on here. Let's have a look at let's go a little bit more long term. We've got 1 day still saying buy. Let's go on 1 hour as well. It's neutral on the 1 hour. Let's have a look at Link, as Christian just pointed out there. Let's have a look at Chainlink, what's been going on. So Chainlink is slipped down a little bit, 22% up for the week, though. That's great to see. $16, yeah, that's nice. Let's have a look at the 1 hour chart there. Yeah, absolutely smashed it this week. Where was the lows? Let's take a look. Scroll up here, bear with me. Set up. Sorry, guys, it's using the trading view on Crypto Saving Expert sometimes can be a little bit slow. But look, we've got 15th of April. There we go. 1st of May was decent low there. $12.44. That would have been a brilliant buy, up to $17 there. Yeah, perfect. I think if I'd been accumulating, from mid-April till recently, I would be looking to sell off. Although look, we had highs of up towards 21. Even higher, sorry, but almost $23 back in March. Price has really shot down there. It looks like a lot of coins didn't have the best start to May. Looks like if you accumulated kind of around this period, really good bits there. We've got Alex. Any thoughts on Alex? I scooped up some after the hack. I'm up nice 35% so far. Yeah, I'll have a little look at that. Bear with me. Let's type a look. See if this comes up. So Alex Labs, let's have a little look at this. Okay, nice. We've got a market cap of 91 million, fully diluted of just under double. Ooh, that has absolutely shot down recently. Let's have a look at the hour chart. Okay. Yeah, I hope you didn't buy recently. It's come down quite a lot. I scooped up after the hack. So yeah, I'll have to take a look at the hack. I didn't see too much. That's obviously what's been going on with this price action here. After the hack, yeah, a lot of the time they can sort it out and everything can be fine. And where sentiment is low, even because people still associate it with a scam, with a hack, even when they sort it, sentiment can be low, which can give you a good opportunity to buy, but then it is hard to then fight back after that sentiment. Once a coin's been labeled by a hack or a scam, even if everything's been sorted and it's back to normal, the funds weren't lost, it's still hard to kind of come back and fight through that name that's been now branded on that project. But yeah, sometimes you can get an absolute steal, and it can provide a good buying opportunity there. Let's have a look at some meme coins today. I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to take a look at my favorite meme coin, which is Bonk. I've been watching what Bonk's been up to throughout the bear market. It's a coin that I should have got more involved in and kind of backed with more of my funds during the bear market. One of those. But I always really appreciated what the team were doing, what they were building, and their long-term outlook there. So look, you've got coins like Bonk, Pepe, Doge, all of these kind of big boys, but Bonk really came into its own last year, and wasn't fighting with the likes of Pepe and all those. And we've got a $1.67 billion market cap. If we go back over to, if I take a back look over Bonk, crypto saving expert as well, we can see a bit more information. Let me just pull that up. But yeah, the team at Bonk, what they do well is good marketing, quirky marketing, all about what MEMECOIN is about. So yeah, let's take a look at their website as well, because I know they do lots of integrations. Their website is absolutely, people just think Bonk's a MEMECOIN, but look, here we go, more than the ordinary dog, 690k holders, so 9 different chains about Bonk. Bonk is the social layer and community MEMECOIN of Solana with deep integration as a utility token across a wide base of applications and protocols within the Web3 ecosystem. So they aim to achieve this through expanding and growing their list of integrations. So yeah, look, so here are some of the key projects that they work with. You may have heard me on Friday. I went on a live stream or spaces on Twitter rather with BonkBot. That was really fun. Those guys are absolutely smashing it. For you that perhaps missed the BonkBot live stream or unaware with BonkBot, BonkBot is a Telegram trading bot. So we're seeing an influx of trading bots. BonkBot are one that have been, kind of were early on with the trading bot scene and have been carrying out super well, and reputable guys. And I like to use it for my Solana trading, especially just because it's really quick, super simple. And I like using it. I like the Telegram wallet. I like all of those things for being out on the go, makes trading super easy. And what we've got to think. I know a lot of us are on our computers right now, but around the world, a lot of people just have a smartphone. A lot of people, when they begin to trade, they just have a smartphone. They may have Telegram. They may not even have a Phantom wallet or a MetaMask, etc. So being able to trade on Telegram, I think, super important, and something that we'll see more of as well. If you guys are looking to trade on BonkBot, you will be able to find the description, the link in the description below, guys, as well. So go check that out. But there's some more projects they're working with: Bonk Swap, Bonk Rewards, Moonwalk, Pooper Scooper. So clean up your wallets and earn Bonk. I haven't actually taken a look at that. I imagine it's something to do with burning dead tokens. Open Bonk, so swap Bonk on Open Bonk's decks and buy Bonk. So they're doing some really cool things, guys. And they're always at the events. They're always doing promotion, making it fun. So definitely one of my favorite meme coins. I think Solana is going to, as we mentioned in the article before, I think we're going to see Solana go to new strengths. And if we see the rest of the market kind of range during the summer right now, I think there's going to be more interest in fun projects like Bonk, and perhaps even a resurgence of NFTs as well. So let's also take a look at Pepe while we're here as well. Let's go over to Pepe. Take a quick look at the price action there. So Pepe, we've got a 3.83 billion market cap there, liquidity of 40 million, holders 220k. So a lot of holders, almost double what Bonk's got right now. But you don't see as much from Pepe right now. If we look at the charts as well, we've got in the top 50, you've got Doge, Sheep, Pep, and now Bonk kind of coming up the ranks as well, and a few other notable meme coins. For me, it's it's the Ether Solana thing. Will we see the meme coins on Ethereum like Pepe, overturn, keep up the dominance over the Solana meme coins there as well? Let's have a look at another meme coin that I know a lot of you are interested in, which is Chippy, guys. So Chippy on Solana here. Right now, we're at a 13.2 million market cap. They've been doing some really fun things. Last Friday, free Chippy Friday, over 30 people were fed free fish and chips. So $25 was sent to everyone who got fish and chips on Friday. Super fun thing. Right now, if we look over on their Twitter page as well, it's a giveaway, 10,000 Chippy, $125. All you've got to do is like, retweet, tag friends, join the Telegram, and that will be drawn tonight, guys. So 10,000 Chippy tokens, all for you guys. We got Christian saying Floki and Shib think their last cycle and not as popular yet. Floki and Shiba, I just you do not see much hype around them right now, and it's will they die out? It seems the holders are not really selling either, but there's not as much volume on things like Floki and Sheeb. But also it is worth to mention, perhaps we don't see it, but perhaps in non-English speaking countries over in China, Korea, perhaps they're really taking with Floki and Sheeb and pushing it there, and then perhaps we don't see it as well. But like you say here, yeah, people like shiny and new. So it seems that the new meme coin comes along, gets that hype, gets those holders, and it's about, once those holders are there, keeping up the momentum and keeping up that volume and kind of sustaining that price as well. But guys, that's all I have time for today. Chippy is the new and shiny worth the bet. Exactly, guys. Make sure you go follow Chippy. Make sure you go enter the giveaway. 10,000 Chippy going tonight. But as always, guys, I've got some special guests coming this week. So we're going to have some cool shows, going to have some different guests. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, and guys, I will see you tomorrow. Let's go.